apples to oranges. And the reason for that name is because it's got blood orange juice in it, and it's got a lot of different apple flavors. Well, actually, it's got one apple flavor, calvados, which is an apple brandy. But this is a tequila-based cocktail, so that's going to be the base spirit. I'm using a silver, like a clear tequila. You could use an añejo or a reposado, something that's a little more aged, but I like just using this nice, clean, silver Blanco tequila. So we're doing about 1.5 ounces per drink of that. Then I'm adding about 3/4 of an ounce of calvados, which is that apple brandy. It will give it a nice apple flavor. And then for a little bit of sweetness, as long as I'm doing orange in here, I'm going to sweeten it up a little bit with Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur. You could also use Grand Marnier, which is an orange brandy. You could use triple sec, but I have the Cointreau handy, so I'm going to use that. Other than the apple brandy, if you just put lime juice in that, that would be a margarita. But we're not doing lime juice. We're going to do this freshly squeezed blood orange juice. And then I'm going to ice that down and shake it up. And I know I like stirring cocktails, but if it's got orange juice or any kind of juice or cream or egg white or something that's already not clear, you can shake it because it's a little quicker than stirring, and it'll make the drink a little cloudy, but it's already cloudy to begin with because it has the juice in it.
That's a great point.
Thank you. And then you just pour it in. Got a couple of ice-filled rocks glasses here.
That Maria gave us that are beautiful.
Yeah, Maria, my sister-in-law, Rachel's sister, bought us these beautiful glasses. I think I've used them before in the show.
Many times.
And then another friend of ours gave us, for the holidays, they're crispy blood orange chips. You could make these, if you just slice blood orange wheels, put them in a...
that was Judy, right?
Yeah, it was Dude. If you take just slices of blood orange, or any fruit actually, put them on a cookie sheet and put them in a really low oven until they dry out. It's sort of like fruit jerky, as it were. And that's it. That's the cocktail, hon. You want to... Cheers. Ooh.
Oh, that's a special one.
That's yummy. Cheers, everybody.
That tastes like fruit punch. That's very...
It's really good. Well, blood orange juice is a little sweeter than regular orange juice, right?
It's amazing. Thank you.